you. Okay, so this is Sergeant Sellers. He is my show monkey. No, just kidding. He is the entertainment of the hour. He has been called the songbird of his generation, and he's gonna warm up. Go ahead. He's gonna do a little medley of his favorite greatest hits. There you go. Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay, go ahead. You better sing, Sellers.
Sweet Lord, which somewhere over the rainbow.
Awesome. Thank you. So, if any of you believe you have discovered the talent that this guy has,
I do birthdays and bar mitzvahs.
awesome. Thanks, Alice.